Hello everyone, good day to all of you. Let us continue discussing quadratic equations and inequality. So, ang topic natin today is yung tinatawag na nature of roots ng quadratic equations. Under this topic, we will discuss the discriminant, kung paano siya isolve, and then kung anong gamit ng discriminant para malaman natin o makarakterize natin ang isang quadratic equation. Okay, so this topic, hinati ko siya into 2 videos. Unahin muna natin itong video na to para sa discriminant. Okay, yan. Ano bang tinatawag na discriminant? Okay, ang discriminant daw represented by a variable d, capital D, is the radicand b squared minus 4ac in the quadratic formula. Yan. So, still remember, this is the quadratic formula. X equals negative b, positive and negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, yung nasa loob ng radical symbol na yon, ang tawag doon ay radicand. Okay. So, yung b squared minus 4ac is the discriminant. Ano ba ang gamit ng discriminant? So, upon computing the discriminant daw, it will tell us the nature of roots of any given quadratic equation. So, yung nature of roots, dito natin malalaman kung real number ba yung mga roots na makukuha natin or not. Or kung real number siya, alamin natin kung rational siya or irrational, kung equal ba sila or hindi. Yun yung nature of roots. So, pag na-compute daw natin yung discriminant, malalaman natin ang nature of roots. So, by formula, D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. Okay, discriminant. So, let us try computing some examples. Compute the discriminant of the following quadratic equations. Number 1, so meron tayong quadratic equation dito na naka-standard form, x squared plus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. So, wala tayong problema sa pag-identify ng value ng a, b, c kasi naka-standard form siya. A is 1, yan. And then, b is 5, and c is negative 4. Okay, so from the formula, D is equal to B squared minus 4AC, or discriminant is equal to B squared minus 4AC. We just substitute the given value. So, we have D is equal to 5 squared. So, yan yung B. 5 squared minus 4. Ang A natin is 1 and C is negative 4. Okay, so, ang order ng operation, squared mo to and then simplify mo yung next term. Okay, so 5 squared is 25, and then negative times a negative will give us a positive answer. So 4 times 1 times 4 is 16, so the answer now is 41. So ang discriminant natin is 41. So siya yung nasa under ng radical symbol. So 41. So pag-aaralan mo yan kung ano ba ang magiging nature ng roots kapag ang discriminant mo ay 41 sa next video natin. Okay, let us go to example number 2. Okay, so merong konting complication here. Wala siya sa standard form. Okay, meron yung linear term nasa right side ng equation. So, solution. So, madali lang naman to. Ang additive inverse ng negative 8x will be positive 8x. So, pag inad mo siya sa negative 8x, it will become 0. Okay? So, syempre, equation yan, kapag nag-add ka ng 8x sa right side, mag-add ka rin ng 8x sa left side. Okay? So, the resulting equation now will be 4x squared plus 8x minus 3 equals to 0. Then now, we can now identify the values of A, B, C. Ang A natin is 4, ang B is 8, and C is negative 3. Okay, again, from the formula, D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. We have D is equal to 8 squared minus 4 times 4 times negative 3. So, Yung B natin is 8, ayun siya, minus 4. Ang A natin is right here, 4 pa rin. And then, C is negative 3. Okay, so gaya ng ginawa natin kanina sa example number 1, squared mo muna tong B squared, yung B, squared mo, then simplify mo tong nasa right side. Okay, so 8 squared is 64. Negative times a negative will give us a positive. So, 4 times 4 times 3 will be 48. So, ang sagot nito, discriminant is equal to 112. Yan. So, na-compute na natin yung discriminant ng number 2. So, sa susunod na video natin, malalaman mo na kung ano ang nature of roots niyan. Okay, last example. Tingnan natin yung example number 3. Okay, so, example number 2 natin, hindi siya naka-standard form. I think we will be using the distributive property here kasi magmumultiply tayo. Yan. So, solution natin. Yan. 3x times quantity of x minus 5 equals negative 12. So, meron pa tayong negative 12 sa kanan na constant. So, multiply muna natin yung 3x. 3x times x will give, then minus, mamaya na natin simplify. Pakita ko muna sa inyo isa-isa. 3x times x minus 3x times 5 is equal to negative 12. Okay, simplify na natin. Multiply mo 3x by using the DPMA, no? So, 3x squared, 3x times x will give us 3x squared. Ito naman, negative 15x equals to negative 12. Okay, so, para malaman natin kung naka-standard form to, kailangan ang nasa right side na equation will be 0. So, para maging 0 to, mag-add ka ng, ang additive inverse kasi ng negative 12 will be positive 12. So, mag-add ka ng 12. Both sides of the equation. Ayan. So, etong nasa right side will be 0 na. Then, eto naman, hindi mo naman siya ima-minus sa 15x kasi hindi naman sila similar terms. Ang mangyayari dito, kung this is constant term, siyempre, nasa pangatlo siya. Okay, so isingit mo lang siya doon. So, yan. 3x squared minus 15x plus 12 equal to 0. Okay, so ang ABC natin, A natin is 3 right here. B natin is negative 15. C is 12. Okay, yan na. So, let us now solve the discriminant. So, from the formula D is equal to B squared minus 4AC, we have B now is negative 15 squared. So, ang B natin is negative 15. Squared natin yan mamaya. Then, minus 4 AC. A natin is 3. Ayan. And then, yung C natin is 12. Ayan siya. Okay, so, 15 squared. So, mababaliwala naman yung negative dito kasi pag in-squared mo, it will be positive, is 225. Ito, isa lang ang negative sa kanila. So, minus yan. D is 225 minus 144. So, 4 times 3 times 12 will be 144. Okay, so discriminant now will be 81. Okay, so siya yung nasa under ng radical symbol. So, 81, makukuha natin yung square root niyan, di ba? So, sa susunod na video, malalaman mo yung nature of roots ng quadratic equation. So, ang importante muna, matuto kang mag-compute ng discriminant. Okay, so hope you learned something today. God bless everyone. Thank you.